Today I'm going to show you how to cook quail.
For my cook today, I'm going with my classic marinade, black pepper, some true salt, Marinate barbecue rub, olive oil, and some anjou pear vinegar. Now it's important to clean off your quail, and we're going to go ahead and apply a nice amount of extra virgin olive oil. I love extra virgin olive oil on everything. And we're going to go ahead and make sure that we get this all over. Now don't worry about using too much because we're actually making a marinade, and we're going to take that marinade that we're using with our Marinate barbecue rub, and we're going to put that in our bag that we're going to go ahead and seal up for the marination process. So we're going to turn our birds over. We're going to get them both sides really, really well. Make sure you get between their little legs, and we're going to hit it with some pepper. I like a fine black pepper. Don't worry about it looking too heavy. It's all going to mellow out when we put it all together and marinate it and then take it out and smoke it. We're going to put that in our bag, and then we're going to go put some more barbecue rub inside of that. We're using our chamber sealer today, and we're going to go ahead and seal it up. I love the chamber sealer. It's perfect for any type of liquid to marinate it.
Now I'm going to show you a little hack on how to take this quail and make sure that they don't fall over and that the cavity is full for smoking. Baby carrots. That's right. As you can see here, I'm putting the carrots inside the cavity. And then when we're done, we're going to go ahead and take that marinade, pour it inside the cavity as well so that we get full flavor on these quail. We're out here smoking our quail at 225 degrees on the Yoder smoker using 100% almond wood pellets from Marinate Barbecue.
Smoke at 225 degrees for 30 minutes. Mix up that red and orange slaw, and then we're getting our signals ready to go in the oven. The ThermoWorks needle probes are my absolute favorite. You can put them in anything and you're not going to destroy them and leave a huge hole in your meat. Perfect for quail. Both of these are nice, evenly cooked, as you can see. We went at 400 degrees in the oven till 165. Plated up our peppers along with our sriracha mayo. Absolutely scintillated. And I thought a nice fried rice heart would go perfect for the dish.
So our beautiful quail is done. We went 400 degrees, took about 25 minutes to about 162. Pulled it out, we got a little bit of rise because this thing's really thin. 165, perfectly done. Have some fried rice. I made a slaw out of orange and red pepper and a sriracha mayo to go with that to rub on the bottom. Perfectly cooked, definitely not dry. You can see all the moisture. Let's give it a taste. They're so little. Definitely takes the smoke. Marinate barbecue rub, very prominent. That marinade with the anjou pear vinegar, the olive oil, absolutely perfect. I'd say this was a success. So get out there and get your quail. I think you're really, really going to enjoy it. Please like and subscribe and follow me for more wild game cooking.